Evening everyone. I am Dr. Tasneem Sharif, Secretary General and co-founder of the Diplomatic Club. Today we had the Diplomatic Night as well as the CEO Roundtable Conference, and we are proud to announce that there was a presence of more than 45 plus foreign embassies and ambassadors and diplomats and more than 100 plus corporate CXOs who were present at this gathering. Apart from this, we had diplomats, IAS officers, IFS, IPS officers coming across not only from India, from South Korea, and the corporates have come all the way from South Korea, Russia, Nepal, and whatnot. We had a lovely gathering, and as you know, the Diplomatic Club is a non-profit organization, non-political organization, and we are very closely working with all the embassies, and we are trying to help our Indian corporates to reach globally through our embassy connects. So come join hands with Diplomatic Club, and we are sure we will be taking you globally at international scale. We will be scaling your business to the next height. Thank you. 10 plus global countries, and today we had announced 2 more global chapters in Germany and Japan. We are spreading our wings very fast, and we had in the last 3 years taken more than 30 delegations, trade delegations, and we are helping our corporates day and night. Come, please join with us and let's grow together. Thank you so much.
Hello, Namaste. I'm Kritika Pahava, Miss Asiatic India 2024, and I'm so happy to be a part of the Diplomatic Club and be appointed as the Youth Ambassador. Thank you so much to every member here. We are so happy, and this is Mr. Ashok Gulabani. He is the founder of Miss Asiatic International, and I'm the reigning queen this year. It's an honor to meet everybody from so many countries, and I represented India at Miss Global International, where we placed amongst top 3 in Cayman Islands. And it's such a pleasure, such an honor. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Hi, greetings. I am Ashima Jha, Youth Ambassador of the Diplomatic Club India. And as you can see, Diplomatic Club also has a vertical to improvise and foster youth diplomacy and cultural exchange. We are empowering youth from different backgrounds and different academic fields to come together under one umbrella to bridge the gap where the young people can directly discuss and negotiate with the policy makers and find solutions towards the global challenges. We are addressing G20 issues, SDGs, we are addressing cyber security, we are addressing all the global scenarios through the youth perspective. And having said that, we are spreading across different institutions, not just in India but internationally. Thank you.
हम यहाँ पे डिप्लोमेटिक क्लब में एक CEO राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी, और मैं इसमें, मेरा नाम आलोक मित्तल है और मैं क्लासिक डिज़ाइन ग्रुप का फाउंडर हूँ। बेसिकली हमने एक नया ब्रांड लॉन्च किया है, कल ही एक लॉन्च किया है, मेंस लग्जरी फुटवेयर का। तो हमें आज यहाँ पे मौका मिला आने का। मिस्टर मूर्ति जी हैं यहाँ पे डिप्लोमेटिक क्लब के हेड। तो इसमें मैं बताना चाहूँगा, जो हमने शू लॉन्च किया है, मेंस लग्जरी ब्रांड है, तो उसको आप देखिए सब www.classic.in पे आप देख सकते हैं उसको, और फॉलो भी कर सकते हैं हमें उसको। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Good evening, everyone. I am Prithvi Thakur, MSME consultant from United Consultancy and Services. We provide government registrations like MSME, trademark, ISO, BIS, and we help MSMEs. MSMEs are the backbone of our economy, so we help to win their tenders, national tenders. And Dr. Murthy Devra Bhutla invited us to this tremendous event, and which Mr. Murthy considered us to be worthy of this, so we are glad to hear, and thank you.
हमारे क्लब की स्थापना कुछ साल पहले हुई थी, और थोड़े समय में ये बहुत प्रसिद्ध हो गया। पूरी दुनिया में इसकी शाखाएं हैं। अभी जापान में खोला है, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में है, बहुत देशों में है। तो ये क्या करता है कि नॉन ऑफिशियल लेवल पर ये लोगों को मिलाता है। आज मैंने देखा था जो फंक्शन हुआ है देश की राजधानी में 29 नवंबर 2024 को, कम से कम 50 दूतावास के प्रतिनिधि यहाँ आए थे, उनमें से बहुत से राजदूत भी थे। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ आकर जो मैंने देखा, क्योंकि एक तरफ से सरकार, जैसे मैं हूँ एक भारत का राजदूत हूँ, हम लोग ऑफिशियल रिलेशनशिप्स बनाते हैं, लेकिन पीपल टू पीपल रिलेशनशिप, कमर्शियल रिलेशनशिप्स, कनेक्टिंग कॉन्टिनेंट्स, ये डिप्लोमेटिक क्लब बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर रहा है।
Thank you.
Can I request Mr. Mr. Mohan?
Now transformed. Blessings to you. Chairman Dr.